quick explanation of this thing. This is a single standalone unit. It does not require any additional equipment to use. Okay, it's literally two rechargeable lithium batteries with a circuit that stops it from being overloaded, allows it to be recharged. You don't need a recharger to do it. You get all these cretins on Facebook, mainly Facebook. They'll slag you off. No, you can't do it. It'll explode. It'll kill you. It'll murder you. You'll die. You have to buy American. This is bullshit. How it works is simple. You take your USB power supply. You plug it in. Oh, look. It's charging. It's got a surge protector in there, so it can charge. To use it, you then take your USB device you want to plug in. You plug it in. Oh no, wrong way round. That way round. It's now plugged in. And then you can switch it on. La la. It is that simple. There's no things where it's going to blow up. There's no, the light goes off after about a minute. Just tells you it's been used. That is it. Very simple. Also very, very obvious when you get one person using multiple profiles to promote American products.